'Tis the season for shopping. It's ELLE KOS Glam. Welcome to Michael's Lemax Village Collection 2018. This is the start of my collection for me and my family. I want to start a tradition. If you want to join me with this tradition, make sure you comment below and let's go ahead and exchange ideas. I got the idea from my husband. He had a village when he was younger as a kid, and his mother had a big giant village. I don't think I can get a village that big, but I'll try to do the best I can to keep it consolidated. But this is my husband's present, so I hope he's not watching this video. I went ahead and got some things from Michael's and I want to share them with you today. And here is some prices and some sales that they're having right now. I decided to do this to start a memory and tradition for my family. So here's some things from Michael's. Here's the fake snow, the trees, and I heard from the cashier that you can get the trees from the dollar store. So that would be a huge savings. Also, Michael's had this great sale, 40% off everything, and I cleaned up. So I'll show you everything that I went over. Comment below and let me know if you want me to do an unboxing and show you more in details of things that I got. But I love these little miniature villages. I don't see a lot of videos on it, but I see a lot of collections with vintage, but I just started mine, so hopefully it'll be vintage one day. But I love tiny little villages and things that remind us of when we were younger. We always talk about it on our channel, Mr. Traveler, because we show people how to travel. We are travel agents and we share memories with you. So we hope that we can go ahead and give that same motivation to you to start a collection or start your journey. Create memories in your family. Things don't last, but memories do. Since we live very close to Disney and we are Disney fanatics, I will be adding Disney to my collection as well. So I'm going to be adding a train. I'm going to be adding some figurines. And let me know if you want to go on this journey with me. Living in Florida, we don't have seasons. We have one season, summer. And sometimes it gets a little chilly, but not really. So our seasons don't change. I have to fragrance my house to change with the seasons. So Michael's had a great sale on candles, 3 for $10. I thought that was a really good deal. And they were the big jars, so they last a long time. So let's get started. Here's my haul and a couple things that I bought from Michael's today. I want to start sharing more of shopping hauls with you, deals that I find. Maybe they can help you and give you some motivation to start memories in your family. So here's the bags that I bought. I did some damage. Don't tell Mr. Traveler. And I also picked up some really cute signs from Michael's. Some of them were discounted very, very low. This one was chipped all the way in the right side. If you can look up in the right side, it's a little chip. I got 10% off for that. So all I have to do is just paint it, and the sign was only $9. It went down from I think it was $39.99 to $9. So I thought that was a really good deal, and all it needed was a little paint. Every year I like to do a hot chocolate bar, so make sure you stay tuned because that's coming up soon. This cute little sign was only $7, but then I got it for 40% off of that. So I think it was like $3 or $4. The quality of the sign was really, really good. Also, I picked up this cute little gingerbread house that lights up that I wanted to put inside my village. It lights up and has some amazing details with sugar sprinkled on top with little glitters, and there it is with the light on. And it's going to be so cute in my little village. I just love it. I fell in love with it. It was $15 with 40% off. Next, I have this tower that changes numbers as Christmas gets closer. It also lights up. I do believe it lights up. And it has a working clock. So I thought this was really cute. Some things I had to order online because I live out in the country. So Michael's is very far from me. So some things I ordered online and some things I went ahead and picked up inside the store. If you order online, the deals are better online, in my opinion. but this particular tower was $70 with 40% off. Me and my husband love to eat cookies. I tried to relate everything to us when I was thinking of what to put inside the village. This is a really cute cookie palace, and it has illumination as well. It lights up and it's so cute. The details are incredible. And next, I have the North Pole. I'm going to add that as well because I love red and white during the holidays. It's so festive. This particular North Pole tower was $150 with 40% off, and it has so much detail in it. I can't wait to add it to my Disney things that's coming as well. I haven't received them yet, but they're on the way, and it's going to be so cute together. And then, of course, I had to add a church because our faith is everything to us. We would not be where we are unless we leaned on our faith. And of course, I had to have a replica of church inside. So, church is a big part of our life, and I hope that you stand for something. My mother used to say, if you don't stand for something, you'll fall for anything. So, I thought that was cute when she said that. And the last thing I have is this beautiful carousel. It works. It has sounds. It goes in a circle and is illuminated as well. It has a really nice bright light to it. It was originally $150. This is everything that I picked up, and I have a couple of little other things that I added as well. I hope you enjoyed this video so far. If you have, give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed. These glitter picks caught my eye. They were so cute and festive for the holidays. I decided to start a whimsical tree, and these were originally $1.99. I got it for 40% off, and I picked up all the ones that they had because they were almost gone, every one of them. So with Michael's, you have to be on top of the Christmas decorations. If not, they will be sold out and they will not be back. So the best time to shop for Christmas is right after Halloween, and that way you can get all the deals. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment below and let me know what you love. What was your favorite thing? Make sure you subscribe. Live your dreams. Glam your lifestyle. Take care. Bye, guys.